Choosing the right windows can significantly impact how comfortable, efficient, and functional your home feels. For homeowners looking for a window style that offers versatility, durability, and modern appeal, awning windows are an excellent option. In Eagle homes, awning windows are especially valued for their ability to provide ventilation, weather protection, and a clean, contemporary look that fits a variety of layouts. Reliable ventilation in all conditions. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows is their top-hinged design. When opened, the window tilts outward from the bottom, allowing fresh air to flow into the home while helping keep rain out. This makes awning windows ideal for enjoying ventilation even during light rain. For Eagle homeowners, this means better airflow without worrying about sudden weather changes disrupting indoor comfort. Excellent energy efficiency. Awning windows are known for their tight seal when closed. The sash presses firmly against the frame, reducing air leakage and helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This design makes them one of the more energy-efficient window styles available. In Eagle homes, improved energy efficiency helps reduce heating and cooling costs while keeping living spaces comfortable throughout the year. Ideal for hard-to-reach areas, awning windows work well in locations where other window styles may be difficult to operate. They are often installed higher on walls or in compact spaces such as bathrooms, kitchens, or basements. For Eagle homeowners, this flexibility allows natural light and ventilation in areas that might otherwise feel closed off or dim. Modern design that enhances curb appeal. Awning windows feature a sleek, horizontal appearance that complements modern and transitional home designs. They can be installed on their own or paired with fixed windows to create visually appealing window groupings. Across Eagle neighborhoods, awning windows add architectural interest and enhance curb appeal without overpowering the home's exterior design. Improved indoor comfort and air quality. Proper ventilation plays a key role in maintaining healthy indoor air quality. Awning windows allow stale air to escape and fresh air to circulate more effectively. In Eagle homes, improved airflow helps reduce indoor humidity and creates a fresher, more comfortable living environment. Increased security and peace of mind. Awning windows offer strong security benefits thanks to their design. When closed, they are difficult to force open from the outside. Many models also include durable locking systems that add an extra layer of protection. Eagle homeowners appreciate the balance of ventilation and security awning windows provide. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Modern awning windows are built with durable materials that resist warping, corrosion, and weather-related wear. Their simple operation and strong seals reduce maintenance needs over time. For Eagle homeowners, this means long-lasting performance without frequent repairs or upkeep. Versatile placement options. Awning windows are incredibly versatile. They can be used as standalone windows or combined with larger fixed windows to maximize light and views while still allowing ventilation. This versatility makes them a popular choice for Eagle homes with unique layouts or specific design goals. A smart upgrade for Eagle homes. Installing awning windows offers a combination of comfort, efficiency, and modern style. From reliable ventilation and energy savings to enhanced curb appeal and security, awning windows deliver lasting benefits. For Eagle homeowners looking to upgrade their windows with a practical and stylish solution, awning windows are a smart investment that enhances everyday living and long-term home value.